What is up, you guys? This is Christian for Hustle and Bustle. Today we're gonna take the coin pusher from that location over there and we're gonna install it into a new location. Hope you find the video enjoyable, guys. I'm gonna explain a little bit about coin pushers, how much they make, how much they cost, and I'm also selling them. So, because a lot of people ask me, I didn't sell them, but now I sell them, I guess. So if you like that type of content, give it a like, subscribe, and enjoy the footage. Yeah, it's not much. Yeah, it's okay. It is what it is. This is yours. If they want $20, I might be on a minus. If they have won $20, I might be on the minus because I don't think that's $20. It's okay. So here I'm trying to work that apparatus, which I was not good at the beginning. But here is where the money are collected from the actual change machine that I have. I paid $400 extra for that change machine to be there. We got $31 and we're missing like 40, I think. Sometimes you lose some money into those machines, but that's rare. Sometimes the prices won are more than the actually money that fell for you. Here I'm just basically preparing the machine for deployment. I'm emptying all the coins, which was extremely loud. But luckily there was no one inside the restaurant, so yeah. So as I already mentioned, the machine has a coin changer, and the coin changer was almost full. Here I put $20 at a time, and I wait for it to actually dispense all the remaining coins in it. That was the only way I could have think of. The other way I can think of is to lift up the machine, flip it, and let the coins fall, but I didn't want to show off with my ripped, muscular, insanely godlike body, so I decided to do it the slow way. We packed all the coins and everything. Let's see how everything's gonna fit. Somebody to help you, because this is a pretty big machine, but I don't, and you gotta learn, like I said, you gotta learn to do it yourself. Oop. Maddie, I'm leaving. I'll leave you my card in case you know, if something comes up, well, you think of me. Yeah, well, thank you very much for having me.
All right, yeah, you take care. Good luck with the road. I'm pretty sure you'll do good.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one. All right, I ordered some pizza. I stayed and ate there, talked to her a little bit. You never know when your paths will cross again. Way after we ate the pizza and took this thing, we're on our way to install it in the gas station, and you're gonna see how the installation goes. It's nothing crazy. I have like 6 Zippo lighters to add to the prices and some money, and yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys learn something. If you have any questions, ask me. If not, just watch and learn. Okay, I'm sorry about the audio. It's very bad because it's from my small camera that I'm recording. I think it was called something Go. It's very tiny, the microphone is not great, and then when I record on my software, the audio software, it's just not good. So now hopefully the audio is good. Here I'm just like unpacking the machine, getting the machine out of the van and getting it inside the store. But a little bit more about those accounts. In the first account, which was a pizzeria, I had the account for I think a month and a half or so. My average per month expectations was $87. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much I made because it's too long to explain. Now I had the machine into the gas station
for about 3 months now, because that video is actually shot quite some time ago, and my average per month is 160. So I would say it was a pretty good deal to move that machine to the gas station. Also, something else I haven't told you is the owner actually has a convenience store, which he invited me to put another machine in the convenience store, and that machine, the average about $750 a month. That's just my share, so it's about $1,500 a month. That's insane. But let's see if it's gonna keep going. I had the machine in the convenience store for just 1 month. All in all, what you can expect from those machines, I'm aiming for at least $100, not more. I mean, not less, sorry. Here I'm just prepping the machine, putting some money in. He actually helped me out, wanted some explanation of how the machine makes money for us and other stuff. Also, on the right side, you see those sodas. I had to move all those sodas in the front of the store and move some cans at the back of the store. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know if you're gonna see that into this video. I put a towel there into the little container, so when coins fall for me, people don't hear it. Of course, I put an extra lock, and this is the final result, which I played a little bit here.
All right, finally, we finished the day off. It is 7 o'clock, and I'm just about to catch Dominic and Gonzalo. If you're from Jacksonville, you know who they are. They do a stream every Tuesday. Today's topic is seller's financing and creative financing, or something like that. I couldn't attend. Sorry guys, thank you very much for doing that for us, but I'm gonna watch it on my phone. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Hopefully you learned something about coin pushers. And let's continue the night with some one of my favorite drink, Malibu and pineapple juice. But today there's no pineapple juice. It's just orange juice. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. That's too much juice. Yeah guys, keep hustling and see you next time.